So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, Kumar Kesar is back in form. And with that form, we will solve Google SDE2 interview, recently asked interview problem, okay? So listen to me carefully. First of all, congratulations to our student, who switched to MasterCard PBC, okay? Despite facing so many issues in DSA and Java Dev and system design since 2 years. So he has done a great job. Congratulations to Omkar. Guys, this problem was recently asked in Google SD2 interview. This is not the final problem. This was one of the first problems proposed by the interviewer. Well, given a string S, find the lexicographically maximum subsequence in it. Before we discuss the intricacies of the problem, I will give you two strings. You guys have to tell me which one is lexicographically greater. String S is given and string T is given. I will be opening the Google chat. You guys have to immediately tell me, is S bigger or T bigger? Like, what are your constant thoughts going in your mind? And what is your algorithm to check if S is bigger or T is bigger? So, guys, which string is lexicographically larger? I want to know the answer from you people. What do you think? T is bigger. Can anyone give the explanation why T is bigger? Why? See, first character you check from left. Both are matching. Okay. Check the next. Both are matching. Okay. Check the next. Both are not matching. Which one is bigger? Z. Means this whole string is deemed bigger. We don't check the characters after that. We only check till the first mismatch. That is the definition of lexicographically larger. Clear? Okay, nice. Awesome. So you guys understand that T is greater than S. Now the problem given to us by the Google SD interviewer is that I will give you any random string. You have to tell me the lexicographically largest subsequence. But before we go ahead, I will give you two more strings. Now this is a little complicated. Let's see who can answer. Which string is bigger, ZZ or ZZY? In terms of lexicographic nature or dictionary order basically, which string is bigger and which is smaller? I will give you a hint. You will only go till the strings are matching. Whenever a mismatch occurs, if nothing exists, then something is better than nothing, right? Yes or no? 3 LPA better than 0 LPA, right? Yeah, so ZZY is bigger, guys, because here there is nothing after this, but here there is something. So this is bigger. Wow! Wow. So now, guys, the things are pretty simple and pretty easy, and you can just enjoy, and you don't need to focus on anything else, okay? So, guys, how do we solve this problem immediately? I give you any string. Tell me which subset will you pick up? Guys, this is the string given to you, lovely students. This is the string given to you, lovely students. Which subset will you pick from it so that I am writing it here also that ABZDCZZ. ABZDCZZ. Which subset is lexicographically the largest? I love DSA and CP and OA also. Which subset will you pick up? सबसेट का मतलब समझते हो हिंदी भाषा में? इसमें से कुछ कैरेक्टर्स उठाने आपको लेफ्ट से राइट ऑर्डर में, और वो सबसे बड़े वो जब सारे कैरेक्टर्स उठा लोगे ना, you have to pick some characters from here, a subset, but that subset should be lexicographically largest. So guys, do you understand the meaning of this? Subset means you will pick up some characters. How many characters even God does not know. God knows, but you don't know. Whatever subset you pick, na, it should be lexicographically the largest. That means what? The first element should be as large as possible. So which is the largest element here? Z. So obviously Z will be the first element of the subset you pick. But guys, I want the full. Tell me which is the lexicographically largest subset in this string. Let's see who is able to answer this in the Google chat. Which is the lexicographically largest subsequence in this string? Z, Z, Z. Correct, correct, correct. So guys, write yes in the Google chat if this test case gives you the hint to the problem and the solution. देख के ही पता चल रहा है, सबसे बड़े कैरेक्टर पे ही फोकस रहना चाहिए ना. The biggest subset is you select this guy, this guy, this guy. Why? Z, Z, Z. No other subset can beat this. Why? Because if any other subset you pick, it cannot beat first character being as big as Z. It cannot beat second character as being big as Z. That subsequence will not be able to beat its third character being as big as Z. So starting characters need to be the biggest to be the lexicographically largest subsequence. So guys, I will write the analysis which will not lead to paralysis is that listen. God made you special because you are Kumar K student. Now what to do? You need to study. So the thing is that, we have to find our subset. We have to find our lexicographically largest subset. This you also know, I also know. Let us focus on finding the first element of our subset. So guys, you only use your brain and tell me how will you find the first element of the subset. मैं क्या कह रहा हूं, ट्रिपल जेड भाड़ में जाए, मेरे को तो बस पहला एलिमेंट बता दो कैसे ढूंढोगे तुम. You have to choose a subset, right? Subset will be some characters, right? I don't give a dash about the second, third and other characters of the subset. How will you find the first character of the subset? You know that the first character of the subset should be the largest character possible. So guys, can anyone tell me the algorithm to find the first character of your valid subset? What is the meaning of valid subset? The subset which is lexicographically the largest for the string. कैसे ढूंढोगे पहले कैरेक्टर को? Write in the Google chat. Answer is one line. Correct, Aditya. Largest character of the string is always the. अरे तुमको समझा नहीं क्या? जो स्ट्रिंग में सबसे बड़ा कौन है? Z है ना, तो हमेशा पहले Z ही आएगा. कुछ भी कर लो, कुछ भी उखाड़ लो, इससे बड़ा पहले में आ ही नहीं सकता ना. तो यही तो हुआ लेक्सिकोग्राफिकली लार्जेस्ट सबसेट का पहला एलिमेंट. कैन यू फील इट? फीलिंग नहीं है तुम्हारे अंदर. फीलिंग फॉर क्वेश्चन, नॉट फॉर योर क्रश, not for the girls and boys. Okay, so guys, what is the algorithm? ट्री मैप वो सब नहीं पूछ रहा हूं. एल्गोरिदम क्या है? फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर will always be the largest char in the whole string. ये आपको समझ आना चाहिए कि भाई we are constructing a subset and I know that the first element of that subset will be the largest character in the whole string. या तो ये z को उठा लो, या तो इसको, या इसको, किसको भी उठा के पहले डालो, क्योंकि जो भी हमारा लार्जेस्ट सबसेट आने वाला है उसका पहला कैरेक्टर z ही होगा. z से बड़ा नहीं हो सकता. yes we can do that अभिराम वनामा. yes बार बार सेम मत चेपो कॉपी पेस्ट. We can use maxi. Yes, we can do all those things. I am talking about only the first character. भाई कहाँ आगे जा रहे हो? So guys, now, yes, Ashish Pandey. Now guys, use your brain and everyone tell me. There were three options of Z. You know that the first character of your largest subset will be Z, right? But there are three options of Z. This Z, this Z, or this Z. Tell me using greedy algorithm, which Z will you pick up? The first Z or second Z or third Z? क्या लग रहा है? फीलिंग, दिल में कुछ फीलिंग हुआ होगा आपको. उसके लिए नहीं, क्वेश्चन के लिए. तीन Z दिख रहे हैं. कौन से Z को उठा के मैं अपने सबसेट का पहला एलिमेंट बना दूं? कौन से Z को उठाऊं? इसको उठाना सही रहेगा, या इसको उठा लूं, या इसको उठा लूं? बताओ. Everyone is saying first Z. Great job, you are correct. You should always pick the largest carry in the whole string. First occurrence of the largest carry in the whole string. Wow, congratulations. First occurrence of the largest carry in the whole string. Wow. But guys, can anyone explain me why? Why? जो इसको समझा देगा उसको गिफ्ट मिलेगा. I will you do GPay to you. GPay. You know my UPI, right? I will do you GPay if you are able to write a correct explanation. That I know that I have to find the largest subset from here. I will take the largest character from the string, but there are three options. Why are you taking this Z only here? Sir, because, sir, if you do over smartness and you pick up this second guy, na, what will happen? This Z will come here, right? This element of the subset you have picked. Now for the rest of the elements, you can only pick the next Z. And then the string is over. So ZZ will be your answer. If you pick the leftmost occurrence of Z, na, there is higher probability of more Z's existing here. Because ZZZ is better than two Z's. So as many Z's will be there, the lexicographically largest हो जाएगा ना. फीलिंग आई फीलिंग. तो लेफ्ट से जा रहे हो तो भाई स्टार्टिंग से चलिएगा. ठीक है. Yeah, we need to greedily find the, yeah, we compromise with the size. Yes, correct. So guys, everyone write yes sir in the Google chat if they understand why we took the first Z. अरे ताकि बाद में वालों को भी तो मौका मिले ना. समझे बात को. अगर पहले जेड को तुम इग्नोर कर दोगे तो फिर बाद में दो ही जेड बचेगा ना. तो दो जेड का अच्छा लग रहा है कि तीन जेड अच्छा लग रहा है, देख के ही पता चल रहा है ना. सो सर इट इज क्लियर सर दैट the first element of my subset, first element of the subset, first element of the subset is nothing but the largest character in the whole string. If there are multiple such occurrences, go with the leftmost occurrences, the first occurrence. That's it. And guys, this solves the whole problem. Now many people must be thinking, sir, why does this solve the whole problem? Repeat the same algorithm again and again, and the job is done. Guys, listen to me. You had to find the largest subset, right? तुमने क्या किया? Sir, I want to find the largest subset, the first character of the largest subset. क्या किया तुमने? Sir, travel this string and find the largest character. Z. Sir, Z, there are three Z, sir. Sir, I will use this Z, sir. Okay. Now you can forget this part of the string. भुला दीजिए उसको, उसकी यादों को भुलाइए. Now you can forget this part of the string, na? This Z has been taken, so you cannot take the left characters now. You can only take the characters on the right hand side now. It is a subset, na? Subset में I1, I2, I3 is a subset only if I1 less than I2 less than I3. So इतना जो तुमने अभी काम किया ना Z को लेके, तो A से लेके Z तक जितना भी था उसको भूल जाओ. ये स्ट्रिंग तुम्हारी खत्म हो गई. और ये Z को तुमने इधर डाला ना, इस फर्स्ट एलिमेंट ऑफ सबसेट को भी भूल जाओ. तो अब क्या है? Guys, this is the new string which you have to solve. This is the new string you have to solve. Now you want to know the best second character of the subset. You can treat it as finding the first character of this much. This was your subset. I am saying forget the first character of the subset. ये past है, भुला दीजिए. Now for this string, find the first character of this subset. क्या होगा फिर से? वही इसको ट्रेवल किया. सर Z सबसे बड़ा है. सर Z सबसे पहले इधर आया. ठीक है, लिख दिया इधर Z. अब क्या करूंगा? जो भी मैंने आंसर पिक किया ना, यहां से लेके पीछे तक का सब पार्ट मिटा दो, भुला दो. इसको कभी यूज नहीं कर सकते ना. If you pick index 2 then index 5, so the next element of the subsequence will be greater than 5 only, na? 5, 2, 3, 4, 1 cannot be used again. Now in this string, and isko bhi bhula do. Now guys, in this string Z, find the largest lexicographical sequence is Z it. Wow, right? Smooth guys, smooth. If you feel this algorithm is really smooth. जो तुमने फर्स्ट सब कैरेक्टर के लिए किया था वही चीज सबके लिए करनी है. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. So guys, the thing is that everything is pretty interesting and pretty great here. Okay. So we are going to run the last character will always be included. No beta G, and you will see it why now. Okay. So guys, tell me, you want to find the lexicographically largest subsequence. What will you do? You have to find the first character of the subset. Guys, can anyone tell me which will be the first character of the subset? Which will be the freaking first character of the subset, baby? Tell me in the Google chat. With the index, with the index too. So guys, till now we have discussed in the algorithm that we have to find the lexicographically largest subsequence. So this is the string, right? You travel this string, right? Which is the greatest character Z. You write Z here. But when you pick the Z, it means you cannot pick the past now. So you cut it like this. Which will be the second character of the subset? Second character of the lexicographically largest subset will be the largest character in the remaining string. Everyone tell me the second character of the subset, which will be. Some people are saying X, some are saying Y. अरे Y is bigger than X. ये भी भूल गए तुम. और यूज करो AI. और करो इंस्टाग्राम रील्स यूट्यूब शॉर्ट तुम लोग. ग्रेट जॉब. ये भी भूल गए. पता चल गया ना तुम्हारा क्या हो चुका है. बिकम मोर जेनजी. ग्रेट जॉब ऑसम. किसने लिखा है उधर गूगल चैट में कि सर एक्स बड़ा होता है सर. हाँ ठीक है भाई, ठीक है. इसलिए बोलता हूँ इतना एआई यूज नहीं करने का कि एबीसीडी भी हमको ना आए. वो भी चैट जीपीटी को ही पूछना पड़ेगा. चैट जीपीटी एक्स इज बिग और वाई. अरे कितना, इतना भी चीटिंग नहीं करना होता खुद के साथ. थोड़ा खुद भी पढ़ाई करो भाई. ठीक है. सो मुझे लग रहा है अब तुम लोग ऐसा कर रहे हो. जो तुम्हारे बच्चे पैदा होंगे ना उनको सच्ची में एक्स और वाई कौन बड़ा है नहीं आएगा. मैं गारंटी लिख के दे सकता हूँ पढ़ाने के बाद भी. तुम्हारे बच्चे होंगे ना इसलिए. सो एक्स एंड वाई. मेरा तो टेंशन नहीं, मैं बहुत पढ़ाई करता हूँ. सो मुझे स्ट्रेस की बात नहीं. तुम देख लो अपना. हर्षित शर्मा. बिकॉज जीन्स प्रोपोगेट, तो ध्यान रखना इस चीज का. पढ़ाई करो थोड़ा सा. हर्षित शर्मा. यस वाई. सो गाइस वाई इज बिगर. वाई बड़ा होता है एक्स से. वाई इज बिगर देन एक्स गाइस. वाई इज बिगर देन एक्स. सी A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So yes, Agarwal, you did the mistake. So you should know see Y coming afterwards. Okay. So Y is the biggest character. Y is the answer. But guys, now can anyone tell me which part of the string will be delete now? Can anyone in this meeting tell me which part of the string will be delete? We will delete dy because now these guys can never be the answer anymore. Now guys, lovely student, tell me immediately right now in front of everyone, what will be the third character, largest subset character for this string for us? Like whatever largest lexicographical subset we are trying to find, we have figured out the first character for it. Second, what will be the third character in the remaining string? Which guy is the biggest? X, right? X. So X I will write here. Until X everything will be cut. Is the fourth character possible, guys? Write yes or no in the Google chat. Is the fourth character possible? So what is the final answer? ZYX, and this is true. This is true. You can prove this algorithm. Tell me, is there any subsequence you can come up which is better than ZYX here? Can you come up with ZZ? No. Can you come up with ZYY? No. ZYX is truly the best. No subsequence of smaller length can beat it. No subsequence of larger length can beat it. Why? Let's say you try to make Z, D, Y, C, X. Larger length than this. But see, at the second place, Y is winning. So, large concept again and again solves this whole problem, baby. Okay. So, guys, what is the algorithm? If I have to write the algorithm, what will be the general algorithm, guys? The general algorithm of O of n square algorithm, it will be. What it will be? O of n square algo is very simple. You know, uh, travel from left equal to 0 till n minus 1. Find the first occurrence of smallest character. Okay, let's say, let us say id equal to first occurrence of the smallest char. Okay, so the first char of subset, first char of our valid subset will be s of I. Okay, and guys, what will be the second char of our subset? Second char of subset will be, second char of subset will be, अरे common sense है ना. Let's say this is the string given to you. Okay, from index 0 till n minus 1. At index I, let's say, acha, not smallest, sorry, largest. First occurrence of largest char, largest char, largest. Sorry. Okay, let me write here largest. Okay, so you come to know z, the first occurrence is coming here. You know z is the first part. Okay, what will be the next part? Next part will be nothing but the largest possible in I plus 1 to n minus 1, right? Let's say I has, we know the I. So now we will update our range to search from I plus 1 to n minus 1. Like this range will keep on getting smaller. Right? Yes, sir. In the Google chat, everyone, if they have understood what to do. For when you know that S of I is the first character of your lexicographically maximum subset, now you will search from I to plus 1 to n minus 1. In this range, in this range, find first occurrence of the largest char. That's it, guys. You repeat this algorithm again and again, again and again. And like this you will keep on doing till the string gets empty. See, this earlier our range was this 0 to n minus 1. I found the largest char first occurrence. I put it in my subset. Now I am updating my id as I plus 1. Next time when I'm trying to find the second character of my lexicographically largest subset, I will do my search only from this I plus 1 till n minus 1, which is the largest guy here. Once I find the first occurrence of largest guy here, let's say I find it here at I5. S of I5 is my answer for now, and now I will update my range and I will next time I will search from I plus 1 to n minus 1 until my range exceeds n minus 1. Like this I'll keep on searching and job is done. Right, great in the Google chat if everyone understood this and no one has any issues with this. Okay, so guys, what is the time complexity for this? Like, you are a pro batch student, so I don't need to explain you much. It is O of n square, right? Why it is O of n square? Well, see, for the first character of the subset, you are traveling the whole string from 0 to n minus 1. It takes O of n time. Then you know, for the second character of your subset, let's say your I is 0 only. So now this time you will be searching from 1 to n minus 1, right? Then you might have to search from 2 to n minus 1, right? So first you have to search n, then in the worst case second time n minus 1, then n minus 2 till 1. So what is the sum of the numbers from 1 to n? The total operations can be n into n plus 1 by 2, which is roughly O of n square only. Okay, that's why it's O of n square. Okay, guys, what is the optimization for it? Optimization is also pretty simple. Listen to me carefully, bro. Listen to me carefully. You want to find the first largest, you want to find the largest character in this string, right? As the first element of your subset. You find it that it is Z. You write it here. Now for the next turn, you want that, sir, in the range I plus 1 to n minus 1, which is the biggest character? Which is the biggest number in I plus 1 to n minus 1? Guys, every time you will have a suffix query. Every time you will be asking that for this suffix, which is the largest character. And if there are multiple largest character, which is the largest character on the left hand side? You can do this with hashing and prefix sum in O of 1, na? Don't you know? Let's say this is your string, okay? Now I will create a suffix array. Suffix array will tell me that suffix of 8 will tell me that what is the largest character and what is the index of the largest character in this much part. It is 8 only. Suffix of 7 will tell me suffix of 7 will tell me what is the largest character if you consider only the last two elements. So b comma a, b is the largest. So 7 is the answer. Suffix of 6. Suffix of 6 will tell me the largest character in the range 6 till 8. Suffix of 6 will tell me the largest character in this range. What is the largest character in this range? B, which is the index 7. So suffix of 6 is 7. Means at 7th index, from 6 to 8, the largest character is at 7th index. Similarly, suffix of, baby, of 5 will tell you the largest. So, there are two largest, but this one is the recent one. The suffix of 5 will be 5. So, hopefully you got the point, right? Guys, everyone got the point? We can obviously use it. We can obviously use it. Still, the space complexity will be similar. Okay? Okay, Siddharth? Now, everyone write yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir in the Google chat if everyone understood till here now. Okay. So now, optimization will be what, guys? We'll be creating a suffix array. Uh, and everyone needs to understand that. If someone has a doubt, they can ask me. Suffix of I will just tell you index of largest char in the range I to n minus 1. If there are multiple such char, then print the index of the leftmost one. That's it. Okay, guys? Clear? Okay, this is also clear. Suffix of I. So suffix of I things go from always I to n minus 1. You know these things, you like these things. So guys, if I want to write the code, how will I be writing the code of it? Can anyone tell me? It's pretty simple, right? Like let's try to write the pseudo code, right? So let's say string s is given to you. What will you do? We have to travel the whole string, right? And every time we need to know the suffix, right? So let me write here I equal to 0 while I less than n. So guys, what will be the first char of the subset? First char of the subset will be given to me by what? Suffix of 0. Array suffix of 0 na? Do you understand the meaning of suffix of 0? Suffix of 0 means if you consider this whole string till index 0, which is the largest character? Sir, Z. So suffix of 0 will be 3. It will give me the index of Z. Everyone write suffix of 0 in the Google chat if they understand its meaning. So the first care of the subset is always suffix of 0, okay? So string is x, right? And I assume that we have made the suffix array also. So suffix of 0 tells me that index and s of suffix of 0. Done is the answer for now. And I update my I as from the next time I have to search from suffix of 0 plus 1 index na. अरे common sense है. Suffix of 0 is what? In this case, suffix of 0 is 3 because z is coming as 3, right? Next time I have to search from 4 till end, right? So next time I will be suffix of 0 plus 1. That's it. That's it. That's it. Okay. And that's it, guys. You will just keep on doing this and store it. You will store it somewhere, okay? Store this answer. And guys, the problem is solved. Every time first care or the ith care of the subset is nothing but s of suffix of I. Suffix of the index, the largest one, leftmost one. You get it? Good. Store it? Good. Now update your I as whatever was the index currently, whatever was the index currently, plus 1 because now you will be searching from the next index, right? So job is done. Can you see how much small code it is? So guys, I want all of you to write brilliant, brilliant, brilliant in the Google chat. Write brilliant, brilliant, brilliant if you understand how nice it is. See, in such a small implementation problem is solved. Suffix array you have to create yourself. I hope you guys know how to do that, right? In case you don't know, I will tell you, just travel from the end, guys. Okay. Like I equal to n minus 1, I greater than equal to 0. I'm assuming n is the length of the string. I minus minus. What will you do? Say, you need to know the maximum care, right? Okay. Let's say I say a is my maximum for now. Okay. So if whatever is at index I is strictly greater than the max, now the max has been updated to s of I, and because this guy is the largest guy from n minus 1 till I, the suffix of I is nothing but I. Okay. Else if it can happen that s of I is just equal to the max we are. This is the last occurrence possible, right? So again suffix of I, this is the leftmost occurrence possible. अरे एक बार यहाँ पर z आ गया, फिर से z आया तो इक्वल हो जाएगा ना मैक्स, जब इक्वल आता है तो इसी को लेना है आंसर में, समझे? एंड द लास्ट केस when the things are going small, in that case you will not do much. Like let's say you are z and your current character is a, so the best answer is nothing but whatever was the best answer for the further string suffix I plus 1. Guys, it's done, done. Ram ram. Okay. Load please. Okay. Yeah. Okay. We can do however we like, Ashish Pandey. Does not actually matter. Okay. Now I write it here. Suffix of I. Now, guys, will come the follow up. Okay. The follow up is gonna come. Okay. Sir, for the same cares index will be smaller. Yes, it is smaller. ना ध्यान दिया ही तो है हमने. When our value becomes instantly larger, this is, and if it is going equal, then क्या ही करना है. This is correct one. Okay. So guys, I am very happy. Our student Omkar worked so hard and got selected. So congratulations to Omkar. We really love Omkar. Okay. All the people in the meeting make sure like the post of Omkar selection, so you also get selected one day. Now, guys, this was the problem asked as the follow up. People who wanted to take the screenshot can take the screenshot of this. Okay, for their LinkedIn post. Now, guys, follow up. We have to find lexicographically maximum subsequence, old algorithm, but all the character in it should be different. Guys, write yes sir, yes sir, yes sir in the Google chat if all of you agree. If all of you agree with me that if directly this question is given, then it would be hard for a person who does not know how to do this variation. First, a person should know how to find lexicographically maximum subsequence. Now the person can do something about find the lexicographically maximum subsequence in it, but all the character in it should be different. Okay, you agree with me, right? Right. So guys, let's say that condition was not there, then what would be the lexicographically maximum subsequence? LMS. What is the LMS, lovely people? Well, Z. Then in this part, B. And then in this part, B. Right? Yeah. And then in this part, A. Yeah. So guys, ZBBA. ZBBA, right? ZBBA is the answer, right? Mukut, you are wrong. I'm asking to other people. Tell me what would be the answer if that condition was not there according to our old question. What is the lexicographically maximum subsequence? Don't you know how to do this, guys? You forgot so easily. ZBBA, ZBBA, ZBBA. Great job. Awesome. But now, lovely students, they are saying that there should be no repetition of character. You can use any one character one time. So, guys, what is the first observation? Can anyone tell me what is the first observation? The biggest analysis which leads does not lead to paralysis is the subset answer. The answer subset will always be of size less than equal to 26. अरे 26 ही तो character होते हैं. You want in your subset all the characters to be different. Sir, all characters should be different, sir. So A to Z. If every character comes one time, then also 26 at max, bro. Everyone write in the Google chat that some student is saying C is greater than B. Sorry, guys. In this case, the general answer would be what? Z Z C. Yeah. Then in this part, the largest B, then B, and then A. Z C double B A, right? I am asking the answer for the old variation, guys. ओल्ड वेरिएशन का आंसर क्या होता? ZC double B A. बट अभी हमको रिपीटिशन नहीं चाहिए, बट जो भी है अभी आंसर क्या आने वाला है तुमको पता है? Z C, पर B भी दो बार नहीं ले सकते. सो यू नो B and you know then A. This is the answer for now. But guys, only 26 can be the maximum length. So guys, everyone write in the Google chat now that everyone write in the Google chat that 26 is the maximum length of answer possible. 26 is the maximum length of answer possible. Guys, is my screen visible? Ashu, please react with emojis because Ashutosh Sharma is saying something else. 26. This, guys, we are going in so much depth of greedy algorithm. Your brain is becoming stronger by being my student. So 26, is the maximum possible length of the answer. It means you can do brute force also. Nothing will matter here, okay? Clear? So guys, what will be the algorithm? Very simple algorithm, guys. Listen. First part will be same. I want to find the first character of my subset. What will I do? In this whole freaking string, I will find the first occurrence. Again, I will find the first occurrence of the largest character. I can see Z is coming. So Z I have written here. I cut this much part. Okay, I cut this much part. Okay. Let Let me make it a even bit more interesting. BA. In general case, what would be the answer? The biggest one is Z, and then here the biggest one is again Z. Here the biggest one is B. Here the biggest one is B, and here the biggest one is A. Guys, everyone right agreed in the Google chat. If everyone agrees that in the general case this would be the answer, that's what I am thinking. I don't know if I'm correct or not. Okay, so I leave it up to you. Am I correct? I'm not sure. You can let me know. ZZBBA. But guys, now this is the general case. But guys, now in our updated algorithm, what will we do? What will be the first character? Again, the largest one, na? Z. I cut this much part. Guys, now the algorithm is same. I will have to find largest character in this part with the first occurrence. But largest character in this part such that the largest character is less than Z. राइट ब्रिलियंट इन द गूगल चैट अगर तुमको समझ आएगा बस एक चेंज करना है ये बचे हुए पार्ट में जो तुम लार्जेस्ट कैरेक्टर ढूंढ रहे हो ना वो जेड से छोटा होना चाहिए बेटा जेड फिर से रिपीट नहीं कर सकते ना बस एक कंडीशन और डालनी है राइट ब्रिलियंट इन द गूगल चैट इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड ओनली वन कंडीशन यू हैव टू ऐड when you are searching in the next range for the second character again you have to find the largest character you have to find its first occurrence but that largest character should be compulsorily less than z largest character should be compulsorily less than the previous element of the subset bro इसके अंदर सबसे बड़ा बंदा वो ढूंढो जो z से छोटा हो बस यही कर रहा है प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया क्लियर now Uday Vaidya is saying please repeat sir Uday Vaidya earlier what were we doing Uday Vaidya use your brain and tell me earlier we BBA earlier we selected this Z. I think you have joined late. Anyways, earlier we selected this Z. Then this Z came here. Then in the rest of the part, we again find the largest character, which is Z. This Z came here. But now this is not allowed. Same character cannot come two times. Read the question. Now this is not allowed. Same character cannot come two times. So what algorithm will we do? The largest one is what? Z. I write a Z here. First occurrence I have taken, right? Obviously, I will take first occurrence only, so there is more possibility for a larger lexicographic sequence to be coming, okay? Now, in this part, the general algorithm says find the largest guy again. Largest guy is what if you sort? It is Z, C, B, B, A. Z is the largest guy, right? But you cannot take Z again because Z has already been selected. So this time, I will take the second largest guy. I will take a C instead. बिकॉज जेड के बाद जेड लिखूंगा नहीं चलेगा दो बार एक कैरेक्टर नहीं लिख सकते अपडेटेड क्वेश्चन में लिखा है बेटा दैट वॉट एवर इज योर लेक्सोग्राफिकली मैक्सिमम सबसीक्वेंस ऑल द कैरेक्टर इन इट शुड बी डिफरेंट राइट क्लियर सर 1000 टाइम्स एवरीवन इंक्लूडिंग उदय इफ दे अंडरस्टूड व्हाट्स हैपनिंग मुझे तो वेलकम पिक्चर की याद आ गई उदय पढ़ के अरे मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है भाई साहब ये जो बचा हुआ पार्ट है ना इसमें भी तुमको मैक्स ही ढूंढना है मैक्स ही ढूंढो बट ऐसा मैक्स ढूंढना कि वो जेड से छोटा हो जेड को फिर से नहीं ले सकते भाई इतनी सी बात तुमको समझ नहीं आ रही ये पार्ट में भी मैक्सिमम ही ढूंढना है बट जेड को छुआ तो हाथ काट दिए जाएंगे इसलिए बोल रहा हूं मैक्स ढूंढो बट जेड से नीचे इतना वायलेंस यूज करने का तो आपको समझ आ गया सो डरिए मत आपके हाथ नहीं काटे जाएंगे शाहजहां के टाइम के जैसा वैसा नहीं होगा आपके साथ आप मेरा बात सुनिए मैं आपको बताता हूं तो आपको क्या करना है नेवर आउटशाइन द मास्टर 48 लॉज ऑफ पावर यू हैव स्टडीड राइट हियर द मास्टर इज जेड बड़ा बनो बट जेड से बड़ा नहीं जेड के इक्वल भी नहीं जेड से छोटे रहो सो इन दिस एल्गोरिथम आई विल जस्ट फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट गाय लेस देन जेड व्हिच व्हाट इट इज सी आई कट दिस पार्ट गाइस कैन एनीवन टेल मी what I have to find in this range ZBABA what will I try to find I will try to find the largest character which is less than what once Z and C has been decided in ZBABA I will try to find the largest character which is less than what विच इज लेस देन सी, क्योंकि जेड सी तो आ गए, अब जो भी है इन दोनों से छोटा होना चाहिए, नहीं तो लग जाएंगे, डिस्टिंग नहीं होगा. Correct. Right, brilliant, great, great. 69 people in the meeting. Congratulations. The only thing you're good at, or one of the things you're good at. Congratulations. Great job. So, less than the last decided carrier. Prince Singania, hopefully you like this problem. So, same algorithm as before. Same algorithm as before. Same algorithm as before. When you are trying to find the first occurrence of the largest carrier in this range, make sure it is less than the previous selected character. So all elements of subset are distinct. In this code, you don't have to do anything. Like this time, you don't need suffix. You just travel the whole array 26 times because